Hi, hello, I'm Miss Ready. We are back with a new series. How I used to get ready for outings. The major outing we used to have now is to the court, and let's have a look on how I used to get ready. So, this is the yarn which I have selected. I used to select the type of the yarn, and I used to collect the yarn for making outfit for me. And now I selected this viscose yarn from yarn cut, and for this 3.75 hook goes well. Then comes the research part. Okay, I am using my Alcatel for the research, and hope you can see only a few apps are there. And here comes the Pinterest. Okay, internet is very slow, and I guess I have saved my mouse. Walk. Okay, I get some inspiration using this top. So, okay, maybe okay. There is nothing. Then save. Consider and few more. I'll be going with few more. Okay, let's see. Is there anything? Okay. Okay, I am searching for the stitches, and okay, I found some stitch, and now okay, sorry, and now I'm gonna design something. Okay, this is okay. I am planning to do something like round tops, round collar, and comes like this, and here I connect. Okay, this comes near the hip line. Okay. So this is round neck, and the stitches goes one by one. Since it's variegated, automatically we will get some design. So let's get started. This is one design, and this comes okay, let's see how it's coming up. Now I have designed the model as per the round neck, and it comes till the hip line, and this okay, the design is here. This is the design, and I tried to pair it up with a pair of jeans in this shade, uh, sandal color, and this is from I think this is normal brand from Pothys. I'm not sure. This is like yes, made in India. Okay, so this is the pattern. You can understand. I will try to link the picture of myself wearing this somewhere above. And since this is completely plain, I added this brooch. No, this is the smallest hair clip. Yes. And I want this watch in one hand and this bangles from another piece. And yes, and I paired it with a sandal, um, a spirit shoes. That's all. See you all with another video. Yes, the same. How I get ready to attend court proceedings. Bye bye.